Today we will look how to unbox and assemble plant sprayer. So let's start it. First of all, simply unbox the coverings and pull your product out of the box. Read carefully the instruction manuals given along with the product. Simply assemble the various parts of sprayer with the help of instruction manual page. I have properly made the spray, now applying onto the plants. It was a good experience for me. It is easy to use and spray over the plants. You can shower your plants all at once, hence it reduces time and increase your target plants to cover. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel for more topics and interesting videos. Stay tuned.